This Hamilton home is being offered in 3 tracts, going to auction on Tuesday, November 19th at 6:30 p.m. Tract 1 includes a charming 2-story home situated on 2 acres. The 2,052 square foot layout includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The large eat-in kitchen provides plenty of space, and the additional dining room offers even more space to host family and friends. Enjoy cozy nights in the family room, relaxing and watching your favorite shows. Throughout the home, the wood floors, trim, and paneling bring a warm rustic touch. This property is a must-see for anyone looking for a home with land, outbuildings, and endless potential. Whether you're dreaming of a hobby, farm, workshop, or simply a peaceful place to call home, this auction is your chance to make it a reality. Looking at the outbuildings, they include a detached 2.5-car garage, a 30 by 28 barn, as well as a pole building. The total acreage of 3 tracts is 19.235 acres of beautiful land, featuring a mix of open spaces and wooded areas. Don't miss out on the stunning natural views with ample privacy and room to roam that this property has to offer. Call Jerry Hurst to learn more about the home and learn more about the auction process.